guys, we're excited to announce that this year Real Street Performance is going to be getting into off-road power sports. It's a different kind of fun than you can have in a car.
So all three of these side-by-sides are going to get Ford stroker kits, turbo kit upgrades, Motec systems, and fuel system upgrades.
We're going to take these three and put them to the test. We're going to get some baseline dyno runs, we're going to get some 0 to 60 draggy runs, and we're going to just compare how they are stock before we modify them.
I chose to start with the CanAm X3 Turbo RR. It's got 195 horsepower from the factory. It's factory turbocharged. It can switch between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. And it's got a 72-inch track width, which is a little bit wider than the others. So we don't really have to put a long travel kit on it from the factory. It's already got it. But we're going to try to double the horsepower and see if we can make it lift.
Behind me is a Yamaha YXZ1000R. It's a naturally aspirated engine, but it's a pretty neat system because it has an actual transmission in it, and that's a sequential gearbox, so it doesn't have the belt drives that these two have. So in stock form, it is underpowered compared to the other two, but it has this huge cavity next to the engine that we're going to use to turbocharge it.
Behind me is a Polaris RZR Pro XP. This one is a little smaller, so we're going to widen it. We're going to put a stroker kit, fuel system. We're going to upgrade the turbo kit. This is in fact turbo already. I'm excited to see how they compare stock and then modified.